Ever wonder what a day of eating looks like when you're focused on fat loss but still want to keep things easy and realistic? You're not alone. The truth is, you don't need to follow extreme diets or expensive meal plans to lose weight. In fact, with a few simple and balanced food choices, you can make steady progress towards your goals without feeling deprived. Today, I'm walking you through what I eat in a day for fat loss. Meals that are both healthy and satisfying. Ready to see what's on the menu? Let's get started. 1. Breakfast. High protein. Start. Let's kick off the day with a breakfast that sets the tone for fat loss. A high-protein meal. Protein is key to fat loss because it keeps you full and helps preserve muscle while you shed fat. For breakfast, I like to have scrambled eggs with spinach and a side of whole grain toast. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein and healthy fats, and spinach provides essential vitamins and minerals without adding many calories. The whole grain toast offers complex carbs, giving you sustained energy for the morning. Quick tip: if you're in a rush, a protein smoothie with a scoop of whey protein, almond milk, a handful of spinach, and some frozen berries is another great option. It's quick, filling, and will keep your metabolism firing throughout the morning. 2. Mid-morning. Snack. Healthy fats and fiber. For a mid-morning snack, I keep it light but satisfying. A handful of almonds paired with a small apple is my go-to choice. The healthy fats in almonds keep hunger at bay, while the fiber in the apple supports digestion and gives you that slight boost of energy without a sugar crash. 3. Lunch. Balanced and filling. Lunch is where balance is key. I go for a lean protein, a complex carb, and plenty of vegetables. One of my favorite fat loss lunches is grilled chicken breast with quinoa and a mixed green salad. The chicken provides lean protein, helping to build and maintain muscle while you lose fat. Quinoa is a nutrient-dense grain that provides both protein and complex carbs, ensuring you stay full for longer. Add a drizzle of olive oil to the salad for some healthy fats, and you've got yourself a meal that's filling but won't slow you down. Quick tip: if you're vegan or vegetarian, tofu or chickpeas are excellent substitutes for the chicken, and you can swap quinoa for brown rice or farro. 4. Afternoon snack. Protein boost. In the afternoon, I always reach for another high-protein snack to help maintain muscle mass and keep my metabolism running. Greek yogurt with some chia seeds and a drizzle of honey is a great option. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, and chia seeds offer fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for fat loss and overall health. 5. Dinner. Light and veggie-packed. Dinner is all about keeping it light, but nutrient-dense. I often opt for a grilled salmon fillet with roasted vegetables like broccoli, zucchini, and bell peppers. Salmon is an excellent source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which support fat loss and help reduce inflammation. The roasted veggies are low in calories but high in fiber, helping to fill you up without overloading on carbs late in the day. Quick tip: if you're looking for a plant-based option, try a black bean and vegetable stir-fry with a side of quinoa or cauliflower rice. You'll still get a protein-rich, low-calorie meal that supports your fat loss goals. 6. Evening treat. Healthy sweet option. Let's be real. Everyone wants something sweet at the end of the day. To keep things healthy, I love a bowl of mixed berries with a small piece of dark chocolate. The berries are packed with antioxidants and fiber, while dark chocolate, in moderation, offers a satisfying treat without derailing your progress. This way, you can enjoy something sweet without feeling guilty. Key health tips for fat loss. Success. 1. Stay hydrated. Hydration plays a major role in fat loss. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps control hunger, keeps your metabolism working efficiently, and improves digestion. I aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, and I always keep a water bottle nearby to stay on track. 2. Portion control. It's not just about what you eat, but how much. You don't need to cut out your favorite foods entirely. Just be mindful of your portions. By keeping portions in check, you'll be able to enjoy a wide variety of foods while still creating a calorie deficit that leads to fat loss. 3. Listen to your body. One of the most important things when trying to lose fat is listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eat when you're hungry, but don't overeat just because food is available. Learning to stop when you're satisfied rather than stuffed is a simple but effective way to control your calorie intake. 4. Plan your meals ahead. Meal prep is one of the best tools for staying on track with fat loss. By planning your meals in advance, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy options when you're hungry or short on time. Set aside some time each week to prepare your meals, and make sure you have healthy snacks on hand to avoid temptation. And that's what I eat in a day for fat loss. Simple, balanced, and realistic meals that are easy to fit into any lifestyle. Remember, losing fat doesn't have to mean extreme diets or restrictive eating. It's about making smart choices and being consistent with your nutrition. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment with your own go-to meals for fat loss. Let's stay focused on our goals and make sustainable changes that lead to real results. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.